If you're new here, welcome back. So I'm gonna show you my slime. I only got two. So yeah. Okay. So here's the first one. I need air bubbles.
First, try a sip of this. You have to make it up.
At first it gets really actually sticky, but then when you get used to it in your hand, it's not.
That's my mom.
They're fighting.
Mama. Mama took that from me.
In the house now.
He said,
I just moved different places because I was like so bored. So here's my slime. This is the next one. I think I showed this one to you guys. But I really like this one. It has a really pretty color to it, but in the camera it looks brown. But it's actually purple. And my link will be up there. My slime video I made. So yeah, it's up there in that little jar. Wait, so here's a closer look of my slime. Don't touch it. I won't. Okay, so yeah, moving on to my other slime. I only have two slime, so you might say, yeah, what happened to the other slime I had? The other slime I had, I mixed up with this one. So yeah. So this one, I'm a big fan, but it's really always sticky. I mostly like one is this one. It's because it smells like blueberry and so thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys. Oh my god. So thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna have a next video because I'm gonna go to Starbucks and get Starbucks when my mom gets off because yeah. And I'll be posting today. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you today. Bye guys.